In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp like Excel and Google Sheets. If you love the clarity of a spreadsheet but want the power of tasks and workflows, ClickUp's table view gives you the best of both. Let's set it up together so your tasks feel as familiar and flexible as a sheet. Start by heading to ClickUp and looking to the left side of your screen. Open your spaces from the sidebar. A space is where your work lives, and choosing the right one makes sure you're looking at the right projects. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can easily see spaces. Inside the space, look for the View options at the top. Click on View and then select Table. This switches your current list or folder into a grid layout that behaves a lot like Excel or Google Sheets. You'll see rows for tasks and columns for details such as status, assignee, due date, priority, and more. Before you start typing, take a moment to customize the view. Use the column controls to show or hide fields, drag columns to reorder them, and resize them so your key information is easy to scan. If you want spreadsheet-like power, add columns such as numbers, drop-downs, dates, or checkboxes. You can also sort and filter to focus on what matters. Think of it like applying filters or sorting in a spreadsheet. Grouping by status or assignee is another handy way to organize the grid without changing the underlying tasks. Now, look at your task list in the table. Each row represents a task, and each cell is an attribute you can edit inline. Click directly into a cell to change the status, assign the task, or set due dates. Use Tab to move across cells quickly and Enter to jump to the next row, just like you would in a sheet. This is where ClickUp truly starts to feel like a spreadsheet with superpowers. To add work, click Add Task at the top or bottom of the table. Give your task a clear name, press Enter, and keep going to build out your list. You can also use the small plus sign in the grid to add a new task right where you're working. This is great for rapid entry when ideas are flowing. As you add tasks, fill in the cells across the row so everything is organized from the start. That's it. Your ClickUp table is now set up to work like Excel or Google Sheets while staying connected to your projects and workflows. Keep refining your columns, filters, and sorting as your needs evolve, and enjoy the speed and clarity of a spreadsheet with the structure of task management.